You sure are happy when you're eating, huh? You're a talkative fellow when you're eating. You're so talkative when you have those snacks, huh? Yeah. Was that good snacks? Did you like that? Yeah? Did you want more? Here you go. Oh. Oh no. Yeah, this is so good. You're nice and fruity, huh? Yeah. Oh, no kidding. You don't say. Oh, when did they do that? Oh, no. Are you throwing Mommy and Daddy under the bus? Yeah. They give you flavorless biscuits? Is that the problem? Yeah? See, I want the good stuff. I want the meat and potatoes. Yeah. I'm a big guy now. Did you want more? Can you say Dada? Jack, can you say Dada? Dada, good job. How about Mama? Can you say Mama? Mama? Can you say Mama? Can you say Mama? Yeah. But you can say Dada? Dada. Yeah, you whisper it, but you say it. Can I say Dada? You a daddy's boy? Dada. How about you, Zoe? Say Dada? No, I'm too busy.